Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Master. Today I am going to show you that how you can password protect a Word document. If you have a very important document that you want to save and protect it from others being viewing this document, so you can encrypt that document with a password. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe it by clicking on the bell icon. And stay tuned for more videos like this. Let's get started. Here I am on my PC and I have a Word document open, as you can see that, which today we will encrypt it with a password. So I will simply go to the file option, as you can see at the top left corner, and then I will go to the info, and here you will see the option for protect document, and I will click on it, and here you will have different options, and we will discussing about encrypt with password. So I simply click on it, and here it will show a dialog box like this, that you can encrypt this file with the password. So I simply put any password to encrypt this, and you can also read the caution. If you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive. So it means it's saying that if you have lose your password, your document will not be recovered. So make sure to remember your password. So I will simply click OK after putting my password, and I will re-enter my password here, and I will click on OK again, and here you will see the document has been protected. And when I go back and close this document, so as you can see that now when I open the Word document, it will ask you for a password. So I will simply put up my password and click OK, and here you can see that you can access your document files very easily. So if you forget your password, in case of that, you will lose all the access to the document and you can never reopen it. So make sure to remember your password. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.